Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with the results of close-up coins. There was 5 commemorative 50p coins for guessing. We're going to go over the close-ups now and we'll see who managed to get all 5 correct, if anyone did. So we'll start off then with the first coin, and it was the bottom segment from the 2019 Sherlock Holmes 50p. There he is in the middle, smoking his pipe. Everyone managed to get number 2 correctly, and a coin very much in demand at the moment. It's the 2022 Jubilee 50p coin. This one again featuring Her Majesty on horseback, just like the coronation crown. We move on then to number 3. This coin is in UK circulation, and it did actually trick a couple of people, this one. It is actually the 2013 Christopher Ironsides 50p coin. I'm sure you're definitely kicking yourselves now that you have actually seen it there in full. Number 4 was a coin that was never released for circulation, and definitely one of my favourite coins. I do have to be honest, I was definitely very mean with this one, but people still managed to get it correct somehow, and it is the 2020 Snowman 50p coin, an absolute beauty. We then move on to the 5th coin, and a coin that might have tricked a few of you. I'm sure the coin albums might have had to come out for this one. I do apologise. Well, maybe not. I did want to make this one a little bit difficult. The TM may have been the way that people managed to get this one correct. And it is indeed the 2019 Peter Rabbit 50p. Again, this one not released for circulation. So the question is, did I manage to win this time? No. People have still managed to get them all correct. A huge shout out to Smithy7890, Norman Graham, Yellow Lighthouse. We've got Liam Sam, Squirreling Coins, Curtis McElroy, Terence Day, and also Andy Vickers. Plenty of people scoring 4 points as well. Unbelievable. If you manage to get one correct, you've definitely done well. Do I make it even more difficult? I don't even know if I can. You guys are just simply amazing at getting these right. And sometimes, to be quite honest, after I've done them, I even forget myself what coin they were, so it takes me 10 minutes to work them out as well. Oh, it's brilliant. So I am going to try and make another one of these over the weekend. I am going to mix it up as well, different denominations. We're going to get some 10p's in there, also some £2 as well. All of them will be circulated coins. I'm not going to go too extreme, but one day I'll make it so no one could get them all right. Have a lovely weekend. Again, well done for everyone that played along. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.